Children's Day. As we all know, we celebrate Children's Day on 14th November every year to celebrate the birth anniversary of Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. Because of his love for children, the government has declared to celebrate Children's Day on his birth anniversary. And Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru loved children so much. That is why he fondly called as Chacha Nehru. And the Children's Day is also called as Bal Divas. So many educational and motivational programs were held across India for the children on this day. And the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru is a very great lawyer and politician, leader, and statesman and secular humanist. He was born on 1898, 14th November in Allahabad, present in Uttar Pradesh. His father's name is Motilal Nehru. He is a very famous lawyer, and his mother's name is Swarupa Rani Nehru. He completed his studies in abroad. In 1910, he completed his degree in England. He has so much interest in politics, so that is why he became a lawyer. And he is a member and a leader in the Indian Congress Party. He has participated in so many independent movements with the Gandhiji. After independence, he is the first Prime Minister of independent India, who served as a Prime Minister of India for 16 years from 1947 to 1964. He only served as a Prime Minister for 16 years. Chacha Nehru is a great leader who loves his country immensely. He was died on May 16, 1964. He always says that children of today will make the country of the tomorrow, and the way the children walk will determine the future of the country. And every child is a different kind of lover, and all together make the world a beautiful garden. And the Children's Day will successfully succeed when every child of our country will free from the child labor, and when every child of our country will have the equal right to educate, and when every child of our country will study well. So my dear friends, let's study well, and we'll take the Chacha Nehru's dream forward by studying well, because education is the most powerful weapon which we can change the world with it. And education is a bright light which the education will fill our life with lot of happiness in the darkness. And education is a golden key which we can unlock with that a freedom door of freedom. Actually, education is everything. So let's study well and take the Chacha Nehru's dream forward. And once again, I wish you all a very happy Children's Day. With this small speech, I conclude my speech. Thank you.
Very good.